In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 274. So this typically means that the game developer has temporarily shut down or is updating the experience that you're trying to join. So to fix this, all you really got to do is just wait it out. Eventually it should come back online. You can try joining another game just to make sure that Roblox is working fine. Another thing you can do is just restarting the Roblox application. Another thing you can try is clearing your cache. To do it on the MacBook, you need to open up Finder, press go to folder, type this in, and then press enter. Now press edit, select all, file, and move to bin. So now that our cache is cleared, what we can do is flush our DNS. To do this, what you need to do is press Command spacebar and type in terminal. Open that up, paste this in. I'll leave it in the top line as a description. Press enter. You need to put your password in. Enter again, and it's done. Now you can close off of this and relaunch Roblox. If you find that it's still not working, you may need to uninstall the app. So I'll show you how to uninstall it. What you need to do is go to Finder, Applications, search for Roblox, right click on it, and just move to bin, and then reinstall it from the official Roblox website. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.